Hello, my name is Charlene Hesse, and I'm here at the SMTconnect show in Nuremberg. Next to me, I have Richard Vereijssen from Yamaha. Welcome.
Thank you.
Now, what are you showing here at the show this week?
We are showing our total line solution, and this year we are introducing our new screen printing, the YSP10, which is unique on this full automatic changeover system, where we are exchanging stencils, solder paste, and auto pin support system. So we're reducing very much the downtime on the machine when change over a product from product A to B.
And will you also be exhibiting at the Productronica show?
Yes, yeah, sure. We are exhibiting also this year at the Productronica, and yeah.
And what trends do you see happening this year, and especially when at the Productronica show?
We see automation as a broader scope than only SMT. We see a lot of requests for automation after SMT, and therefore we will introduce our factory automation business from the Yamaha portfolio, where we show what kind of additional automation can be added beside a factory of the SMT production.
Okay, great. Thank you so much.
Okay.